So the first 4 months of benefits, we have for the first month that you're subscribed, you have the aggregating data course, which is one of our STEM and SQL School courses. And you get free access to that after you've been subscribed for a month. Month two, we have a 20-minute configuring database health monitor tutorial with the STEMins team. And then month three, we have the joins type course, another STEM and SQL School course. And finally, in month four, we have the T-SQL output clause course. And then, like we said, mentioned earlier, there'll be more coming out soon over the next year.
Okay, so to claim this, it's as simple as just going to this page that we're showing on screen right now and clicking the Claim Now button. And that will kick out an email with all the details on how to get instant access to that benefit. If it's well, we'll go into more details on the benefits in a minute, but if it's a class, that's going to be your coupon code to access the class at no charge. So the rewards build over time starting in November of 2025. Well, why November 2025? Well, that's when we released Database Health Monitor. So they grow over time depending on when you started paying for Database Health Monitor or November 2025, whichever is later. So if you sign up in June, by July, you'll have one benefit. By August, you'll have two that you can use. And it just grows over time. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.